Amanda Hinman. Amanda is the founder of Hinman Holistic Health. She's the author of the book titled The Thyroid and Hormone Solution Book. Amanda helps high-performing women ages 40 to 65 who feel stuck in fatigue, brain fog, poor sleep, mood swings, and stubborn weight. What is the message that you have for them today when all is said and done?
Today I'm going to say you're going to learn 3 simple steps that help to understand how to make sense of your body, especially for women over age 40. We know that hormones shift, we know that our body changes, and it's really helping to clarify what is affecting that change and how this is really a whole health transition. Best place is to go to hinmanholistic.com, and you can take the Hormone Freedom Assessment there,